Reacta Healthcare is a pharmaceutical company and we manufacture products for food allergy clinical trials globally. We've always exported since the beginning in 2017, but working with the Welsh Government has been key in helping us accelerate our exports. They've helped us identify overseas opportunities and attend invaluable international trade shows. I know it's terrifying, the thought of exporting. However, there's always people to help, and that's why it's absolutely vital building networks of people who are very, very good at this and who've done this before and succeeded. What we've done is we've built a network in each region of contractors and regulatory experts to support us. So we've really benefited from having that advice to help us tailor our approach. Welsh Government can provide new ideas, sources of funding and opportunities that you just wouldn't have thought of on your own. And if you want rapid growth, you are definitely going to have to export, because staying within the domestic market is just not going to give you that growth.